We now performed one of the major tasks in programming called the looping. We told you how we can make our cat recite the multiplication tables. Well, we made our cat do some mental exercise, you see. It is time for us to make her do some physical exercise. We will make her move back and forth by using our programming skills. Okay, friends, see, I have written a very long code. Very patiently, I have tried writing this code. What exactly is this code? Look at this. Initially, I am going to move 20 steps. Take a half a second break there and then come back 20 steps. Half a second pause. Go ahead 40 steps. See, it's like first day, the cat moves 20 steps and then comes back. Next, it goes 40 steps and then comes back. 60 steps, comes back, minus 60 steps. 80 steps and then comes back, and so on. As you can see, so on. Move 100, minus 100, move 120 and then minus 120, which means come back. Move 140 and then come back. 160, 180, 200 and then come back. As you would have guessed, if you have guessed, this cat will now keep moving ahead like this incrementally. Will get bolder and bolder and move away from her house. She'll try going as far as possible. Let's see how this works by double clicking on this. Double click, ahead, back, ahead, back, go ahead, back, go bolder and bolder, go 20 steps ahead, 20 steps ahead, and finally stop once you reach 200 steps. Correct? Let's do this once again and then watch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So 20 steps, 200 steps, which is 10. Perfect. Now I have a question for you all. She is doing basically 10 aheads and 10 backs in succession, right? Is there any way I can use a repeat loop and then put something so that the same thing can be achieved by making her do something 10 times without going through this ordeal of writing this big a code? Now what am I trying to say? Is there any way you can use this and reduce this to a smaller code? Because it looks like we are repeating the same stuff, but these values are changing. Correct? How do we go about it? Can you now figure out by looking at all the options here if you can do this all by yourself? We strongly suggest that you spend at least 15 to 20 minutes time figuring out how you can achieve the same thing using the repeat loop. If you cannot solve it, get back and continue watching the videos.